welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today we are in Universal Studios City Walk. And what do we be doing, Dad?
Today is our day to have lunch at Toothsome Chocolate Factory, as we've been wanting to come over here for the longest time, even though we keep walking in front of it for years, from park to park. But today we heard so many mixed reviews about this place that we had to come over here and check it out on our own.
Can't wait. Every time we come, we see the big milkshakes just walking by us.
Yeah.
That's a must.
Right. So apparently they're known for their milkshake, and that's why we're here, And here's your family. There's food, there's theme park involved. You got us. And shakes. There you go. So, and sugar. They don't need more sugar. But anyways, if you're brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cookie's Adventure. Our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to City Walk or any theme park in Central Florida. You guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, I'm ready for my shake. Hit it! Well, guys, we finally made it to Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. We always look at the shakes and their desserts, and we always say, oh, let's try, but we always forgot about it. But anyway, we're finally doing it today. We have reservations at noon, and we cannot wait to try their food and their dessert. Let you know how good or bad the food may be. As always, we keep our reviews very honest, and that's what we're gonna do. But the first thing I'm gonna tell you guys, as usual, make sure you have reservation. Best way to do it is through the Universal app, or also like I do, I just Google it. I just put the name of the restaurant and Google it, and then reserve table. And when I did it, sometimes this restaurant does not have any reservations available for the next week and a half or two. So make sure you do it. Plan it accordingly, because if not, you're not gonna be able to go in. And a lot of these restaurants over here in City Walk, that's how they work. Either you will do it in advance, or you will run with the risk of not having anything, or if they do, they will tell you, well, we have something, but it's not gonna be available until maybe 9:30 tonight or something. Now, guys, when you come through the doors, you actually will be able to see the lobby over here. They do have chocolate and dessert over here. They do have some merchandise in here, and they also sell desserts here on this counter on the left hand side. So Karen just done the check-in, and I want to take advantage also to let you know, if you never watch our videos, but during Christmas you do like a Christmas tree hunt, and they actually, this restaurant over here participate, and they do have a Christmas tree over there. Usually, at least for the last 2 years, they've been having it. So, and it's pretty good. So I'm just showing you right now what this restaurant is better known for, which are these crazy shakes. The Kyla is just going nuts over here next to me. Look at this. Hello, how are you?
Quite well, how are you?
I'm good, I'm excited to be here.
I'm glad you're here. What is this fuzzy thing on top of your device?
This thing is a microphone.
I like that it has hair.
Yeah, that's for the wind, to protect the wind. Yeah,
for the wind to blow through the hair and look romantic and exciting.
Exactly, that's exactly what it was for.
Well, enjoy your visit, my friend.
Thank you. We're excited to try everything. I'm excited to try one of these shakes.
Marvelous, are they not? This one's my favorite. It's the chocolate X5, but they're all fantastic. You can't make a mistake.
Okay, that's a chocolate one?
The chocolate X5, that's my favorite one. Many of them are chocolate. The brownie is, of course, chocolate. The cookie jar is a vanilla ice cream base, but it's got chocolate cookies blended into the middle. But this one, I think, is the perfect chocolate.
The perfect. Okay, I'm gonna remember that. And thank you for the recommendation.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
Well.
Bye. The first thing I'm gonna say that we're actually in the second floor, and I'm actually digging all this. It's a very nice themed restaurant. It's kind of cool to be in this side, because you are able to see the entire city walk from here. But if you're even sitting on that side, it's still like a really cool environment too. But over here, you're also close to the bar, which it looks pretty impressive as well. So it is pretty neat. You could actually see the plane. It's kind of hard from here, but through the camera. But you could see the plane from Margaritaville from here. But anyways, what we decided to get?
Sorry. We went for one of the appetizers, which is called tachos, and it's fried tater tots, spicy green chili, crispy pork belly, and andouille sauce.
That was the tachos?
Queso. That's the tachos.
Okay.
So it's nachos with tater tots.
They said that it's one of the most popular items in here, right?
One of the most popular. Then, for the kids menu, Khalil went with the chicken fingers with fries. Kyla and I decided to share from the brunch menu, which is a Nutella and banana French toast. And then Carlos decided to go with the Southern fried chicken BLT.
BLT sandwich. Yeah.
And it comes with fries, and you can swap it for the house-made chips.
All right, and now the appetizer have arrived, and it looks delicious so far. Check this out. These are the tachos that Karen was telling you about. And look, extra points for the server because she knows that Khalil likes ranch.
For one ranch, she gave me 3.
There you go.
Special.
So far so good. We're liking it.
Is this Sprite?
The review on the tachos, judging by this, horrible.
I just didn't want to put in the wrong thing. You should have.
Horrible, right?
Figure it out.
How was it?
It was delicious.
Was horrible.
I mean, that could be a meal on its own. Like,
It
if
was-
you were to order this for just yourself, like, you won't be able to eat anything else.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Really good.
Delicious.
I was kind of skeptical at the beginning when we read about what the server explained it, but then I
I
was
love
like,
tater tots, so I was all for it.
wow.
I absolutely hate it, and I want more.
So yeah, you hated it so much that you want more? Sure.
I don't like tater tots, but that was really good.
There you go. Alrighty guys, I want to take a moment to remind you, if you're happen to be new around here, consider subscribing to this channel. And also, if we're sharing any valuable content with you, hit the like button because it's going to help us tremendously. Our lunch has arrived, starting with Khalil and his chicken nuggets. Tenders, I'm sorry. They're pretty good size.
How dare you forget the name of
I know, right? And then my southern chicken sandwich. Here are the fries over here. Look at this. Oops.
Don't break it.
Looks delicious, man. Look at that. Wow. And then what is it you order?
French toast, but it was banana and Nutella.
Banana and Nutella?
Yeah.
All right, but this
And then it comes with, I think, some kind of breakfast potatoes.
like potatoes?
Yeah.
All right, let me show it to you.
That looks amazing.
This is what it looks like.
I'm ready to that chocolate.
Alright. When you guys try it out.
So it's like two pieces of bread, and in the middle they stuff it with Nutella, and I'm assuming bananas. The top layer has like the whipped cream
And how is it?
delicious.
Is it
If
really
you like
good?
sweets, if you like French toast, Nutella, get
Nice.
this.
And I also try Khalil chicken, but I let him tell you.
It's so good.
The chicken tenders are really good
It's
for you?
really good.
Okay.
And the fries too, especially all this, my opinion, with ranch.
Oh my.
I like it.
How about you, Kyla? Give me your feedback and
I like the food. In my opinion, it's okay.
it's okay?
Yeah.
I tried this and it's good.
You try it and is it good?
Yeah, and especially since it just came out, it's like really warm in the inside.
Yeah. What is weird is that you and your mom are the sweet tooth of the family, yet Kyla went with, I think she went with it just because of the fact that it's French toast. but it's probably too sugary for you, or too sweet, right? Halfway through, or more than halfway through. You're still standing
I love
by the
it. I'm
same.
in love with it.
You
I don't know.
love it.
It comes in 2 big ones. I don't know that you can eat all that. Because it's sweet, but it's
Okay.
delicious.
That's good, Kyla. Same thing. Not your favorite.
Not my favorite, but chicken nuggets are good.
The chicken tenders are good.
Yeah.
Now,
And figuring out how you
Khalil got some more of the French toast. Well, how you like the French toast?
It's flavorful, like it's really sugary. But I don't think I could eat all of that by myself.
All right, your chicken tender still good? Oh boy, my chicken sandwich. The chicken sandwich is good. It could be a little bit of more flavor. It's kind of like in the blend side. Check out these dessert, gigantic. It's just massive. Yeah. What type of cake is that, Khalil?
It is a cookie jar.
It's a cookie jar. Like cookies and cream?
Yeah.
Well, it's got different. I think that cookies and cream and then the regular chips.
Look
Chip
at that.
or chocolate chip cookie. So that's why it's called a cookie
It's
jar.
gonna be probably the 4 of us trying to eat this thing, or at least drinking as much as we can so we can leave at least. This is
I
crazy.
think that's gonna be a walk with me kind of.
Yeah.
Walk with me.
Can I try it? Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead, brother.
Hola, we back.
Or like Kala don't want me to say, that place was buzzing.
I'm sorry, guys.
Sheesh, for sure. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed that cool adventure over there. How was the food, guys?
It was delicious in my point of view.
In your point of view, we got a little bit of mixed reviews for you by the way.
And stuffed.
Yeah,
If you want a place that will get you stuffed,
This is the place.
this is the place. All right, you look like you're stuffed
Are you ready
of
for that?
sugar and you're like drunken of sugar right there. But anyway, Karen,
I like that. I like the Senna Nutella French toast.
Yeah.
I think it is a lot for one person to eat by themselves. It's a lot of sweets. So I don't know. I think that's a shareable plate.
yeah.
But it was good. I wasn't a fan of the potatoes, but I don't like those kind of potatoes to begin with.
Yeah.
But I liked it, and the shake, it's delicious. It's just a lot of sweet.
Yeah.
So I think it's something where you could either get something kind of salty for lunch and then get this, or for dinner and then get the shake if you want. Or like they say, you can come in and pick up the shake just by itself. You just have to come by it, but it's delicious. I liked it. I would come back in a heartbeat. And the appetizer was amazing.
All right, so now that we got the good things out of the way, let's
Let's talk to Kyla.
Let's talk to Kyla. Kyla, give us your feedback. How was it?
Didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
I
You
didn't
didn't like
like
the
it.
food, or what is it you didn't like?
I didn't like the food because what I ordered, I thought of something else. So when I got it, I didn't like how sugary it was, but she enjoyed it. So,
Okay,
I sacrificed.
you sacrifice, all right.
but I did like the original food, like the chicken nuggets and fries. I think this place can have redemption. Chicken tenders. This place can have redemption, but for now, no go.
You're
for
gonna
me.
say, okay, all right. For me, the chicken sandwich was good. I feel that it was lacking of flavor,
so maybe
but definitely would I come back over here? Yeah, I want to try more items. I like to try a burger over here as well. And if you've been here before, just leave some recommendations in the comments below for us to try. But definitely we should try it. Come over here again. We should try it definitely.
A few more
Now,
appetizers that look very
yeah.
good.
Now in regards to the shake, that shake alone is $15, by the way. But
It was like up here.
really big.
okay, so you like the shake?
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
Yes, I did like the shake. Very sugary though.
Very
So
sugary.
the one that we got is cookies and cream. It's called Cookie Jar. It's filled all the way up with the actual thing. And then there's a whole bunch of whipped cream around it, and then crushed Oreos. Sorry. And then crushed Oreos, and then there's like a humongous cookie.
So good or not
So it's
So
like,
was it good for you?
it was very good.
Would you get it again?
By itself, yes. After dinner.
Not after dinner, you Karen?
Yeah, it was really good. It was really good, really, really good. I want to come back and try the coffee one.
I want to try. I want to come back and try a different one. This dude is high in sugar right now.
He's gonna
You can
crash.
tell. But anyway, the dessert was delicious. Anyway, we're definitely coming back. I mean, it's a good place. Would we recommend it at this point? Yeah, definitely. This is one of the locations that you definitely have to come over here, try it out. The service was phenomenal. Our service was amazing. Chris, she was amazing. It was such a great time over. Yeah, it was such a great time over there. I want to come back. And just the environment and all that alone have, for me, made it to one of the top places in here in City World that you must see. So, anyways, we hope we were able to help you with our feedback. Thank you so much for joining us. We love you guys. Thank you for showing all the love. But sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we gotta remind you to
Subscribe.
And to smash that like button and turn that bell notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.